Hello everyone, this is your YouTube dose. People want to experience the thrill of standing behind an airplane which was about to take off. The back window of this person's car got completely flipped because the force of the wind. What would you like to eat in this beautiful restaurant? You should probably not give yourself a haircut.
Oh no 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 no! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm about to cry. No!
These guys was having fun messing around with the slow motion. This eagle was able to protect his egg from a snowstorm that completely buried it. These all cats woke up at the same time because they felt an earthquake that was about to hit.
Die Scottish Folkpush. Ja, deze is niet zo mooi. Buddy. Smile. Smile.
So that's it for the video. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.